I'm just going to go through a little fault finding video for you here. So quite often when you're commissioning your system, an error will come up, and this could be that the CT meter and the inverter aren't talking to each other. So we always ask that your CT meter be located near your grid mains incoming, as to not extend the CT clamps but extend the communication cable between the CT meter and your inverter. What can often happen is that there's either a bad connection or possibly that the RJ45 hasn't been crimped correctly. What we like to do at this point, just as a little test, is a continuity test on the cable that you've installed between your CT meter and your inverter. Now this is set up for the SDM120 meter, so you'll have your two cables terminaled off into your meter, and this end will plug into your inverter. So to do the continuity test to make sure this is crimped down or correctly, or whether you've got good connection at this end, this can be done with either a Wago or a terminal block, or simply just twisting the two cables together that you're using. So you're going to put the two ends into your terminal block or your Wago connector. So what you're going to do is, once you've connected your cables at the meter end, you're going to get your probes or your multimeter. You're going to go from pin 1. As for the SDM120, you only use pins 1 and 2 on the RJ45. So in this one, we've got white blue in pin 1 and solid blue in pin 2. Touch into pin 2, and as you can see, we've got good continuity. At this point, once this is plugged into your inverter and you've cabled into the correct connections on your meter, that you're going to have good communication between your inverter and your CT meter.